Hello everyone, my name is Nupur and I am a third year computer engineering student. Today I am presenting my DSBDA Mini Project titled AI Student Grade Prediction System using Machine Learning. The main objective of this project is to predict a student's academic grade using machine learning techniques based on student performance data. This project is developed using Python, Flask, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQLite, and machine learning. In this project, a student performance dataset is used for training the machine learning model. The dataset contains multiple student-related academic and behavioral patterns. Each row in the dataset represents one student record. The important attributes in the dataset are study hours per day, attendance percentage, assignment score, midterm score, final exam score, participation score, sleep hours. The dataset also contains the target column called grade, which represents the final academic performance of the student. The grades are categorized as A, B, C, D, and F. The dataset is used to train the random forest machine learning model so that it can learn patterns between student performance parameters and final grades. During the preprocessing, missing or unnecessary columns are removed. Features are selected. Grade labels are encoded into numerical values. Feature scaling is performed using standard scaler. After the pre-processing, the data is divided into training and testing data. In this file, the data set is loaded using the pandas library. Then the processing is performed. The grade column is encoded into numerical values. These are the features. Then the random forest classifier is used as machine learning model. Random forest is an ensemble learning algorithm that combines multiple decision trees to improve prediction accuracy. This model is used because it improves high accuracy, reduces overfitting, works well for classification problems, handles numerical data efficiently, and gives reliable predictions. After pre-processing, the data is divided into training and testing. Then feature scaling is performed using standard scaler. The random forest model is trained using the training data set. After training, prediction accuracy classification report are generated. Finally, the trained model, scaler, and label encoder are saved using joblib.dum. This file contains the Flask backend application. Here the trained model files are loaded. The Flask application connects the front end with the machine learning model. When the user enters student details and clicks the predict button, the front end sends data to this API. The backend processes the input feature, scales the data, and sends it to the random forest model. The model predicts the student grade and returns the result to the front end. This is the front-end interface developed using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Users can enter student performance details through this dashboard. This is the AI student grade predictor dashboard. We have to enter the sample values like study hours, assignment score, final exam, sleep hours, attendance, midterm score, and participation. Now the random forest machine learning model predicts the student grade based on the entered performance parameters. The predicted grade is displayed successfully. All the prediction records are stored in SQLite database and displayed in the prediction history section. This project demonstrates the implementation of machine learning with Flask web development for predicting student academic performance.